Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to share top 8 hidden features or tips and tricks of the Samsung Galaxy A03s. So for that, let's jump into the video. So here is the beautiful Samsung Galaxy A03s. So first tip or the hidden feature is the recycle bin of the message application by which you can restore your accidentally deleted messages. For that, go to options and here you will see the option of recycle bin. Just open it and from here you can permanently delete messages or can restore also. And next tip or the hidden feature is to hide apps by which you can hide applications from the menu. For that, simply go to options and then go to settings. Just scroll down a little bit and here you will see the hide apps option. Just tap it. And now here you can select any application that you want to hide. Suppose that I want to hide YouTube, so I will select it and then tap done. So by this you can hide the applications which will be helpful for your privacy. And the tip number 3 is the brightness bar. By default you will need to drag quick toggle twice to adjust the brightness, but you can change these settings also. For that, go to options of the quick toggle and then tap second option, which is quick panel layout. And now here you can turn on the first option and then tap done. Now when you will drag the quick toggle for the first time, you will get the brightness bar. So it's now more easy. And the tip number 4 is the edge panel. Yes, you can activate the edge panel on the Galaxy A03s. For that, first of all go to settings and now scroll down and go to display settings. Here again scroll down and you will see the edge panels option. Just activate it and go back to home. And on the right side you will get this edge panel, which are very useful. Tip number 5 is the side key. By pressing the side key or the power key twice, the phone will open the camera application. But you can set your own favorite application also. For that, go to settings, scroll down and go to advanced features. Here go to side key. Make sure to turn it on and then tap open application. Here you can select your favorite application. Suppose that I'm going to select Chrome. Now when I will press the side key twice, the phone will open the Chrome. And tip number 6 is double tap, by which you can wake up your phone by double tapping. Here you can see. Tip number 7 is the dual messenger, by which you can use 2 accounts of WhatsApp or Messenger. For that, go to settings and scroll down and go to advanced features. Here again scroll down and go to dual messenger. Here you can select application of which you want to use second account. I am going to select WhatsApp, so allow to install second WhatsApp. And now here you can see there are 2 WhatsApp applications on the menu. Now you can use 2 WhatsApp accounts at the same time. Tip number 8 is swipe call or text. For that, let's go to the contact application. Here you can swipe the contact to right to make call or left to send message. So this is also a helpful hidden feature. So these were the 8 hidden features or the tips and tricks of the Samsung Galaxy A03s. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to like it and subscribe to our channel. See you in next video. Take care. Signing off.